Do you know you can open any Excel file in Google Sheets and you can even convert that Excel file into Google Sheets? For this, click on New in Google Drive and then click on Upload File. And then select the Excel file from your device which you want to upload. By doing so, your Excel file will be uploaded on Google Drive. This entire process can alternatively done by drag and drop. Once the Excel file is uploaded, it will be displayed on the landing page of Google Drive. Double-click on your Excel file and your Excel file will be opened with Google Sheets. This is an indication that this is not a Google Sheet but an Excel file. If you want, you can convert this file into Google Sheets. For this, go to File menu and click on Save as Google Sheets. And by doing so, your Excel file will be converted into Google Sheets.